USD yen. Now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart we have a correction here. Now we want to see based on the lower time frame, can we get the buy setup or not? Okay, anyway, we want to see one things we need to highlight, whether this correction can give us a buy or still the possibility we will be within this channel or correction. That means the price can drop or not. Again, still we want to know whether from here we can get the up move or still we will be within this correction. That means the price can drop. Anyway, we move to forward chart. We see based on this correction whether we can trade or not. And as we can say, we have one move down, and these two is relative to each other and relative to this correction. Already we have a correction. That means any buy setup we take it. And in this case we move to 1 hour chart. We see how we can trade based on the 1 hour chart. All right, based on the 1 hour chart also we don't have the trade setup, but as I say, if we put this correction relative to this with this one, that means this is a correction relative to this, the fully become already the correction is complete. Okay, in this case any buy setup we take it. And as I see, we are more interested in the up move. Is there any possibility this one become more complex? Yes, still the possibility is there, but at least the correction what we have is like can give us a up move. That means any buy setup we get it, we take it. Now the thing is, as we can see here, we have a small correction. Okay, the question is, that means there's still the possibility the price drop before we get the buy setup is there. That means the question is, if I put these lines here, the question is whether the price can come to this low, reverse here, or can go lower. That means where we can get the up move, whether at this low, where this line, or here, or even the possibility of the price on reverse is there. But as I see, we don't have a trade setup. We need to wait for the trade setup. Okay, and mostly as we see, we have a correction here. If the price drop, then from there we are not sure how deep this one can drop, whether it can come to this level or lower. But after the price drop, any buy setup we get within this range, we take it. Okay, anyway, as I say, we have the correction already there, and any buy setup we take the trade. And if I move to 15 minutes, do we have any trade setup based on the 15 minutes? We don't have it. And even based on the 15 minutes, as we can see, we have a correction. Anyway, we follow the chart, and any buy setup we see, any trade setup we see for buy, then we take the trade. And if I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.